Hello friends, welcome to first session of Speed Maths. In today's session, we will try to understand how we can do multiplication of 11. So my dear friends, in this particular session, you can learn how we can multiply any two-digit number by 11. Okay, so before starting, so I request everyone be ready with paper and pencil. Make sure that you are sitting in a very isolated place, and after doing some practice, we have to do these questions in a time bound manner. So be ready with that. Okay. So when I alter this word multiplication, आपकी भी situation इस तरह से हुई होगी. Because we never want to be involved in multiplication. It requires tables. और tables ये सबसे हमें डिफिकल्ट होते हैं एज फार एज एग्जाम इज कंसर्न फॉर रिकॉलिंग. तो हम आज इस तरह से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे जिसमें आपको टेबल्स याद करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद दिस फर्स्ट मेथड, मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय 11. इफ यू वांट टू मल्टीप्लाई 42 बाय 11, no need to recall the table of 11, my dear friends. So what we can do here, just listen very carefully which steps I am following for this. So 42, just spread these two digits 4 and 2 in this fashion. So this is the first step. 4 and 2 को spread कर दीजिएगा and just create a space for a single digit, and that space will be filled by addition of 4 and 2. That's it. You got your answer. Your final answer is 42 into 11 is 462. I hope you enjoyed this method. Yes. We will take further examples to understand this better. And for the next example, if you understood this particular example, try to do on your own. Use paper and pencil for the first 2 or 3 questions. And after some time, you can do it mentally. So this is the second question, 43 into 11. So what is the first step? 43, just spread this 4 and 3 in this fashion. और दोनों के बीच में एक डिजिट के लिए जगह बनाई गई है which will be filled by 4 plus 3, and your final answer will look like 43 into 11 is 473, my dear friends. I know that you understood it completely now. Yes, I can see that smile on your faces, my dear friend. There is no need to recall the table of 11. 52 into 11. Try to do this mentally. I know you got your answers, right? Okay. So 52 into 11, just spread this 5 and 2 in this fashion. Summation, addition of 5 and 2, that is 7, which will be sandwiched between 5 and 2, and your answer will be 52 into 11 is 572. You must be jumping with joy, my dear friends. Yes. Now, 81 into 11. So just spread this 81 in this fashion, 8 and 1, and create a space for a single digit which will be filled by 8 plus 1, और आपका फाइनल आंसर हो जाएगा 81 into 11, 891. So I request everyone to do the next question mentally. Okay, 636 into 11. Yes, super fast method of doing multiplication of 11. Okay, you got your answer. Yes, 36 का 3 और 6 स्प्रेड कर दिया, दोनों के बीच में 3 plus 6 का एडिशन रख दीजिएगा. So your answer will be 36 into 11 is 396. Now my dear friends, now it's time to practice. So I have given here some odd questions. 10 odd questions I have given, and you have to solve these questions in a time bound manner. And I am giving you 60 seconds for this. 60 seconds questions, you can do it mentally or with paper and pencil. Your time starts now. I'm waiting for 60 seconds. Try to solve these questions mentally if it is possible. अगर mentally possible नहीं है तो शुरुआत के कुछ questions आप paper and pencil use कर सकते हैं. I know that some of you must got the answers. So if you completed 10 questions in 30 seconds, so one question required only 3 seconds by using this method. So this is super fast method of doing 2 digit into 11. Come on everyone. Yes. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. Now, here are the answers. Just check your answers. Just check your answers. How many answers you got correct? How many answers you got correct, my dear friends? Check your answers. Okay. Now, now check your position. Check your position. So if you got all correct, so you got A plus grade. If 9 correct, then A. If 8 correct, then B plus, 7 correct and B. Don't be disheartened if you got less than 7. Go to the concept again, rewind, and then again check your position, my dear friend. Those who got A plus, A, B plus and B, raise your hands and give me a high five, my dear friends. All of you are enjoying this? Well done. Now I know that what is the question arising in your mind. आपके मन में क्या चल रहा है? अगर ये दो डिजिट्स, जिस दो डिजिट नंबर को हम 11 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, उसके दोनों डिजिट का सम दो डिजिट के फॉर्म में आया. So that is the case. Second, next case we are going to see 57 into 11. Now if you look at 57, if I spread this 57 in this fashion 5 and 7, और इन दोनों के बीच में 5 और 7 का एडिशन मुझे रखना पड़ेगा जो दो डिजिट के फॉर्म में आ रहा है. Now here in between 5 and 7 there is a space for single digit. तो 12 में से सिर्फ यूनिट डिजिट 2 रखा जाएगा and this 1 will be shifted to the left part of the answer and that will be added to 5. So your final answer is 57 into 11 is 6 to 7. I hope you people understood this particular method. So आपके मन में जो क्वेश्चन आ रहा था उसका ये आंसर है. So अगर सिंगल डिजिट आता है तो डिजिट वैसे के वैसे रखना है. अगर दो डिजिट के फॉर्म में आता है तो यूनिट प्लेस रख के बाकी डिजिट आप लेफ्ट पार्ट में ऐड कर सकते हो. Let us try to understand this with this example. 78 into 11. Now 7 और 8 स्प्रेड कर दिया एंड 7 और 8 का एडिशन इनके दोनों के बीच में रख दिया जो दो डिजिट के फॉर्म में आ रहा है. So 5 I will keep in between 7 and 8 and this 1 will be shifted to 7. It will be added to 7 and my final answer looks like 78 into 11 is 858. I hope you people understood this. Yes, my dear friends. Now, let us take this example. I request everyone to do this particular example. I am waiting for your answers. Come on. 15 seconds. You got your answer, right? Okay, so 94 into 11. So just spread this 9 and 4 in this fashion and put summation of addition of 9 and 4 in between them. So 13 2 digit का sum आया है तो 3 रखेंगे और 1 will be added to this 9. So my final answer is 94 into 11 is 10. 9 plus 1 10 3 4. I hope you got the same answer. Yes? Good. Now it's one more example. 67 into 11. So just spread this 6 and 7 in this fashion. You can do this addition mentally. 6 plus 7, that is 13. Just put 3 in between 6 and 7 and this 1 will be shifted to 6 which will be added to 6 and your leftmost part now becomes 7, middle part is 3 and last unit digit is 7. So your answer is 737. Yes, my dear friends, I understood it thoroughly now. पूरी तरह से आप समझ गए हो. इसलिए it's time for practice now. So 10 odd questions again. So I request everyone, be ready with your paper and pencil. Your time will start very shortly. 60 seconds I am given. Your time starts now. If you able to do it mentally, try to do it mentally. Otherwise, you can use paper and pencil. This is super easy method, my dear friend. Yes. 30 seconds over, half the time over. Those who completed all 10 questions in 30 seconds, they are moving at super fast speed. Those who not completed, Come on, keep going, keep going. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. अगर आपका अभी भी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके, so you can take your time. If you completed, just check your answers, my dear friend. Check your answers. Come on, it's time to check your answers now. Yes. I can see the smile on your faces when you are checking the answers and you are getting all correct. Yes. Great. Fantastic. So it is time to check your position now. So if you got all 10 correct, you are in A grade. If you got 9 correct, then A. If you got all 10 correct, A plus. If you got 9 correct, A. If you got B, 8 correct, B plus, and 7, you got B. So if you got less than 7 correct, don't be disheartened. फिर से एक बार मेथड आप देखो, रिवीजन करो, and just concentrate on that particular thing. Okay, so those who got A plus, A, B plus, and B, raise your hands and give me a high five, my dear friends. Okay, so I hope you people enjoyed this particular session of multiplying any two-digit number by 11. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Happy learning.